Okay, Miss Schiffer's not home. She can't be home. This is 6441. Two of the numbers are missing. She informed me that someone told her this is a 40-year shingle. They're already curled up down here at the end. This roof was put on in '89. It's a 20 or 25-year 3-tab. I don't think she's aware of it. I just left her a message. I hope she gets back to me to let me know. I'm going to look at the roof. But if it's in that bad a shape, it's 23 years old, it needs a new roof. Okay, here's the deal. There's two roofs on this roof. It's 23 years old and it definitely needs a new roof. She's got to have a new roof. There's staples coming through everywhere on all these tabs. Everywhere you look, there's staples coming through. This roof is just not even repairable. It's so in bad shape. But I can tell you, this whole area here is all cracked. The wood feels pretty flimsy too. This whole area, it's all cracked. Staples coming through it. There's several leaks here. There's dents. Bad indentations on the ridge vent. All these shingles have all these staples coming through all these shingles. Every one of these tabs are damaged. This is all from the front. Not to mention, there's shingles with complete granulars missing. And there's shingles completely missing here. All down here is going from being so old. There's a complete hole where the rake board used to be. Right here on the back rake. It's all completely deteriorated. All this is rotten. Everything's missing. All the fascia wood is rotted. All these shingles here are completely missing. And here, they're so old, they're brittle, they're falling off. The ridge vent's completely gone here. There's holes here in the roof. The pipe collar is completely old and disintegrated. Nails have been pulled out. Water's going through the nail holes. These louver vents all need to be changed. They're so old they're rusted through, dented up. It's 4 of them on the rear of the roof. Shingles missing around them. I'm going to measure for a new roof. This lady has to have a new roof. There's no getting around it. All, like I showed you before, the staples, they're everywhere. And the lower roof's got cracked shingles also. I'm going to go down and measure it, but you can see there's trees laying right on the roof too, need to be cut back, branches. I don't want to walk too close to the gutter line because the actual wood is rotted all the way across. And where I was showing before, it could be bad wood also, but all down along this overhang is all curled and That's how I knew the shingles were bad. Okay, this is the lower porch. As you can see from the right in here, it looks like to be bad, deteriorated wood. Also, the shingles are all buckled and curled. And this apron is all pulled away from the roof all the way through here. And every nail, it's got 1,000,000 nails in it, all of them rusted, not one of them caulked. But at this point, it really doesn't matter because they need a new roof. All the way across here. There's all these nails in the apron. This is all cracked. Looks like water's probably getting into there. These shingles are cracked here. This is one old roof. There's bad wood here against the wall where these caps are. This is the front, see, right here. And then there's a tree branch laying right here on the roof. So I'm going to measure this lower one also.